Oh, this is gonna be fun. I was looking for the rat hole music, and I think it is somewhere.
Who's opening the rat hole?
Previously on TWiT. Tech News Weekly.
46 states plus DC and Guam, as well as the Federal Trade Commission yesterday, both filed separate but twin lawsuits against Facebook. And they're basically saying that Facebook for years has engaged in a pattern of anti-competitive conduct to elbow out competitors, to buy up potential rivals.
Hands-on tech.
I was able to get in touch with the folks at Van Moof. You would never know this was an e-bike. All of the cabling is run through the tubing, even to your brake cables.
All about Android.
Back in 2018, Google announced that they would be shutting down Inbox by Gmail. And I was very, very upset. And I said, is there even a good graveyard for Google stuff? What if we made killedbygoogle.com?
Mac Break Weekly.
The long-rumored AirPods Max came out. The bottom line, $549.
That's a lot of money.
There's two H1 Apple Silicon 10-core audio processors. Nobody who buys headphones is using
each cup has its own 10-core processor.
Its own 10-core system in package, like an Apple Watch.
TWiT.